Hello folks, come along with us today. We're heading over to Carolyn's mom's house, over to Kathy's, and we're taking her an old raised bed from our old place, and we had the extra tomato plants and peppers, and take her over so she can get some use out of it. It's a pretty sunny day. Come along with us. We're heading over to West Jefferson, North Carolina. Let's get on the road.
Where the neon stars shine, where the neon stars shine, and the whiskey flow in the dark of the night, so nobody knows we're hanging on a memory, we're hung out to dry, just doing our time where the neon stars shine. Well, the folks gathered around, they all look the same. They know my dream, but can't remember my name. Ain't nobody listening, and that suits me just fine. Oh, they wanna hear me cry where the neon stars shine, where the neon stars shine, and the whiskey flows in the dark of the night, so nobody knows. Been hanging on a memory, and we're hung out to dry, just doing my time where the neon stars shine.
Alrighty folks, we're here today. We come over to the mother-in-law's and wife's mom, Kathy's, and we had this old raised bed at our house we wasn't using at our old place, so I went and got some compost and dirt, and we're going to plant her some tomato plants and pepper plants over here. Alrighty folks, we've got the dirt in there. Now Carolyn and her mom Kathy is going to get ready and start putting the tomato plants and the peppers in there.
Soul is lonely, sad and blue, ain't got no loving shoulders to lean on. There's always a sunny side across the river. Take a ride, take a swim, and all your worries go away. Go across the river and you'll be fine. Go counting winners, it's right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side. lost in the city lights. Ain't got nowhere to turn your winding wheels. There's always the sunny side. Across the river, take a ride. Take a swim, my friend, and paddle your guitar. Across the river, you'll be fine. Go counting winners right down the line. You'll be alright on the sunny side.
Alrighty folks, this here's the finished product. Alrighty, thank y'all for coming along with us and watching. If you haven't already, if you would, please subscribe. It's free, don't cost nothing. Thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't step back in
Ah! You're not putting that on there.
Daniel's the editor. I don't know what he...
Daniel, I mean it. What I got? 4, 5.
You're going to keep on, you knock your mama down.
Already stepped on her foot.
Then they'll go from having a good time to assault.